Hello my dear butchers, welcome back to General Awareness class. Today we are going to learn about animals and their young ones and sounds of animals too. So let us start. Can you tell me the name of this farm animal, children? Yes, this is sheep and the baby of sheep is called lamb. Next is dog and dog's baby is called pup. Another farm animal, that is donkey, and donkey's baby is called foal. Next comes cat and cat baby is called kitten. Next farm animal is horse and horse baby is called foal. Next farm animal is goat and goat baby is called kid. Next farm animal is cow and cow baby is called calf. Next comes duck and duck baby is called duckling. Next is hen and hen baby is called chick. Now, can you name this wild animal, children? Yes, it's tiger and tiger baby is called cub. Next comes elephant and elephant baby is called calf. Next is bear and bear baby is called cub. Next comes fox and fox baby is called pup. Next is rhino and rhino baby is called calf. Next comes giraffe and giraffe baby is also called calf. Next comes monkey and monkey baby is called infant. Next comes the lion and lion baby is also called cub. Next comes bird. Which bird is this? This bird is called crow and crow baby is called chick. This one is eagle and eagle baby is called eaglet. Now children, take out your book number 5 and open page number 76, and the instruction here is read aloud. Animals and their young ones. Look at the pictures. These are animals and their young ones. Sheep, lamb. Dog, pup. Donkey, foal. Cat, kitten. Horse, foal. Goat, kid. Cow, calf. Duck, duckling. Hen, chick. Now turn to page number 78. There are some more animals and their young ones. Tiger, cub. Elephant, calf. Bear, cub. Fox, pup. Rhino, calf. Giraffe, calf. Monkey, infant. Lion, cub. Crow, chick. Eagle, eaglet. Now children, open page number 18 and now we'll learn about sounds of animals. Instruction is read aloud. Different animals make different sounds. Tiger roars. Dog barks. Snake hisses. Horse neighs. Bear growls. Rooster crows. Cow moos. Goat bleats. Duck quacks. Monkey chatters. Elephant trumpets. Cat meows. Sparrow chirp. Lion roars. Thank you, children. I hope you have understood animal and their young ones and sounds of animals. Meet you all in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.